Have you ever been so completely absorbed in a book that you lost track of time? Every scene, every word, every turn of events kept you on the edge of your seat and made you wonder what would happen next. That, my friend, is the magic of a well-crafted plot twist. Hi, I'm Andrea from Bibisco, the novel writing software downloaded by more than 200,000 writers around the world to bring their stories to life. And today we are going to explore one of the most powerful storytelling techniques, the plot twist. A plot twist is an unexpected and surprising turn in a story that disrupts what the audience thought was going to happen. It forces readers to rethink everything, often revealing new information or altering the meaning of past events. This shift can be subtle or dramatic, but its main goal is always the same: to keep the audience engaged and immersed in the story. A well-executed plot twist is like a puzzle piece falling into place at just the right moment. It makes the reader go, "Wait a minute! What just happened?" and flips the entire perception of the narrative upside down. Plot twists are crucial in storytelling for several reasons. First, they create an element of surprise that keeps readers engaged. A well-placed twist can breathe new life into a story, reigniting curiosity and making the audience crave more. Second, they add emotional depth. A twist that completely changes the stakes can evoke powerful emotion, whether it's shock, joy, betrayal, or even fear. These moments are what make stories unforgettable. Finally, plot twists challenge the expectation of the audience. They subvert traditional storytelling conventions and make people rethink everything they assumed about characters and plot. This unpredictability adds layers to the narrative, making it more compelling and thought-provoking. Not all plot twists are the same. Depending on your story, you might want to use different types of twists to achieve different effects. Here are some of the most common. This is when the story takes a sharp turn in the opposite direction. A trusted hero might suddenly be revealed as the villain, or an impossible situation might be resolved in an unexpected way. One of the most powerful twists, an identity reveal, happens when a character's true nature or past is unveiled. This can completely change how the audience perceives the character and their actions. Betrayal is a classic storytelling device. A character that seemed trustworthy suddenly stabs another in the back, sometimes literally. When two seemingly unrelated stories turn out to be connected in a surprising way, the audience is left in awe. These twists add richness to the narrative and often reveal hidden connections between characters. Each of these techniques can be used to add depth and intrigue to your story. But how do you craft a truly great plot twist? But before we move on, if you are enjoying this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more storytelling tips. The best twists don't come out from nowhere. They feel surprising but inevitable. To achieve this, subtly plant hints throughout your story. These clues should be small enough that they don't immediately give away the twist, but noticeable enough that in hindsight, the audience realizes the signs were there all along. Identify what your audience expects from your story and challenge those assumptions. Play with general conventions, character archetypes, and common tropes to create something fresh and surprising. While your twist should be shocking, it should still make sense within the world of your story. The character's motivation, past actions, and the established rules of your narrative should all support the twist. Timing is everything. Unveiling a plot twist at the just right moment can maximize its emotional impact. Think about where your twist will have the most significant effect. Maybe it's at the climax, maybe it's in the middle of the story to shake things up, or perhaps it's the final shocking reveal before the end. When unveiling a plot twist, allow the audience a moment to process and react to the revelation. This can be done through the reaction and emotion of the characters or by giving the audience time to reflect on the twist before moving on. Additionally, explore the consequences and aftermath of the twist, as this can provide further depth and complexity to the narrative. While plot twists can be powerful storytelling tools, it is important to use them judiciously. Overusing plot twists can diminish their impact and make them feel predictable or gimmicky. Instead, focus on quality over quantity, ensuring each twist serves a purpose and enhances the narrative. Creating a mind-blowing plot twist requires organization, planning, and creativity, and that's where Bibisco can help. With Bibisco novel writing software, you can develop deep and multidimensional characters with hidden secrets, outline your story with a structured approach to plot twists, manage your scenes effectively to ensure your twists are perfectly placed. No matter if you are brainstorming ideas or refining the details of your narrative, Bibisco gives you the tools you need to craft stories that keep readers hooked. So, let me know in the comments below what's the most shocking plot twist you ever encountered. Thanks for watching, see you next time, and happy writing!